Welcome to the 8th chapter, Cubes and Dice. The objective to learn this is to visualize three-dimensional shapes. A cube of 4 centimeters is painted black on a pair of opposite surfaces, blue on the pair of another opposite surfaces, and red on the remaining pair of opposite surfaces. The cube is divided into smaller cubes of equal side of 1 centimeter each. Number of cubes with two surfaces painted with black and blue. Number of cubes with two surfaces painted with blue and red. Number of cubes with two surfaces painted with black and red. Number of smaller cubes with one surface painted with black. Number of smaller cubes with one surface painted with blue. Number of cubes with one surface painted with red. A cube of side 4 centimeters is painted black on a pair of opposite surfaces, blue on the pair of another opposite surface, and red on the remaining pair of opposite surfaces. The cube is divided into smaller cubes of equal side of 1 centimeter each. Look at the image below. Number of small cubes with 3 surfaces painted equals to 8. Look at the image now. Number of cubes with 2 surfaces painted with black and blue equals to 8. Let's look at the second point. Number of cubes with 2 surfaces painted with blue and red equals to 8. Now let's look at the third point. Number of cubes with 2 surfaces painted with black and red equals to 8. So the number of smaller cubes with 2 surfaces painted equals to 8 plus 8 plus 8, which equals to 24. Now let's look at the fourth point. Number of smaller cubes with one surface painted with black equals to 8. Look at the fifth point. Number of smaller cubes with one surface painted with blue equals to 8. Now let's look at the sixth point. Number of cubes with one surface painted with red equals to 8. So the number of smaller cubes with one surface painted equals to 8 plus 8 plus 8, which equals to 24. In this question, we have to count the number of cubes for the following figure. Let us understand. In the figure, there are 9 columns containing 5 cubes each, 7 columns containing 4 cubes each, 5 columns containing 3 cubes each, and 1 column containing 1 cube. Total number of cubes is 9 into 5 plus 7 into 4 plus 5 into 3 plus 1 into 1, which equals to 89. Hence, the correct answer is option C.